The Renovator kit of headlights with polymer allows us to perform the restoration without either disassembling the headlight of the car nor masking the work area. First step, we clean and decontaminate the surface. The most important step is the sanding process, because we need to remove the whole damaged clear coat from the headlight surface. We recommend using the grits that come with our kit. We add the liquid polymer, 80 to 100 milliliters. Place the nozzle in the opposite direction of the handle and close it. Connect and let the liquid polymer warm up for 4 to 5 minutes until it starts to steam. We start the application without disconnecting. Polymer vaporization is applied from the headlight base to the top at a distance of approximately 1 centimeter. The liquid polymer evaporates and adheres to the headlamp and creates a new protective film, renewing its appearance and its original characteristics. The result is immediate, with no need to dry it. We immediately disconnect the vaporizer and let it cool. Pour the remaining liquid into the bottle for reuse. A quick and efficient solution. The car is ready to deliver to the customer.